Hi everybody, it's Mark here from Alfresco Exterior Cleaning, and thanks for joining us in today's video. Now today we're going to talk about residential window cleaning prices. So just imagine that you live in a 2-bedroom house and you're yearning for that spark and shine, and you can have that for as little as £21 per clean based on our 6-weekly service. Now with this very modest investment, you want to make sure that you can see through those windows and they're sparkling clear to see all those lovely views. Now, not everybody lives in a 2-bedroom property, we know that. So if you live in a mansion, you may have leaded windows, very high windows, stately home type thing, and these prices could be up to something like £300. So often asked, how do we determine these prices? Now, we offer a delicate dance between skill, time and resource. Every step is taken, every squeegee stroke is made, and it's all as part of the craft that we offer here as Alfresco Exterior Cleaning, Oxfordshire's most rated exterior cleaning company. Now don't forget, it's not just about cleaning the window. The other extras will include the frames to be cleaned, the sills to be washed down, all your doors. So it's all part of making sure all that dirt and grime is washed away from your property. You might actually live in a slightly bigger property than the 2-bedroom property we mentioned a few minutes ago. You might live in, say, a 4-bedroom house. So with this, you'd be looking at £38 per clean based on our 6-weekly service. With the service that you receive from Alfresco, you'll get a happy face coming to your property each and every time, and then you'll be happy with the results that we leave you with. So why not become the king or queen of your property with a regular window cleaning service from Alfresco? Sign up to our automated payments so you don't have to worry about a thing. You'll receive a notification the day before you'll clean, just in case you need to leave that side gate or the garage unlocked for us, and then we deal with the rest. So why don't give us a call today on 0333 567 2727. Thanks for watching.